would you like introduce my mother? Her name is Rosnini Bersamiri. I call her Mama. She is 47 years old. She works as a makeup artist. Mama is my best friend and I can share it and everything with her. It's all to introduce about my mother. Thank you for your attention and bye.